which are just very basic fundamentals that are key for someone who is new at shooting.
I don't want you to think of this as a target or as a piece of paper anymore. I want all of you to start visualizing that this is...
This is my 6-second review of what we did today. We basically came out here, we shot guns, had a great time, and we're going to continue to shoot again tomorrow on rifles instead of handguns.
Today we're at Appalachian Gun Range in Jasper, Georgia. No hits at all? How in the fuck is it even possible?
Who else was shooting my thing?
Yeah, that's crazy. All right, we gotta fix that now.
John, did you shoot mine? John,
I don't know, I'm gonna be honest at this point. I'm so fucking confused.
I'm 4.
I knew I should have zoomed in at 10, but I just was trying to do it.
No, you just got a goddamn 1 to 10. Go all the way in.
I know.
Don't shoot any damn thing else but the 3rd one, John. Yeah, you're right there, dude.
So I shot the wrong target. So today we're working with USCCA, taking some of their defensive rifle training. Gavin and JP, these guys, they're excellent trainers. It's so funny because, you know, me and Sherm have this back and forth with each other that everyone loves. Uh-huh. Excitement.
Low on that one.
Excitement.
John, shut up!
To see these guys kind of do the same thing with one another, that was just awesome. It felt right at home.
He flew helicopters, so he didn't have a rifle, so yeah.
Okay, got it. This is new for him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my first time.
Some trainers can be really stern with the way that they go ahead and get that education across, but these guys, they had a really personable approach to it.
You know, there's just so many misnomers and stigmas, as I've already mentioned, about the community and about firearms. Not every person is going to be uber tactical. Not every person is going to be as fast as Jerry McBlack, and we love Jerry, so shout out to Jerry. Some people just want to know how to defend themselves. Some people just want to get into it to have fun. The reality is you have to make people comfortable and know that they are welcome, to know that it is okay if you don't know anything about this.
I want you guys to pick up 2 sight pictures. Let the gun settle, pick up that second sight picture. That's when the safety should go back on and the gun comes down again. Make sense?
The thing that I really liked the most was the fact that everything they did was really like to focus you in on the training, on the mission of the training.
What is the probability of having to do an emergency reload for an AR in a home defense situation? Probably pretty low, right?
They did a lot of little things that really ensured that you got the message of what it is they were trying to instruct. And everything that they were trying to instruct is in a self-defense circumstance. So it's literally to create a better shooter for your self-defense, for the defense of your family and others.
My name is Justin Peters. I work for the USCCA. I've been there for approximately 7 years now. I had a hand in developing our AR-15 curriculum, which is going to launch this summer. The context of the course is defense of home, defense of property. It's not a offensive course where it's like, hey, you're going to be hard charging with this AR-15 and ducking around cars and stuff like that. It's to protect yourself and your family and to get you up to speed with an AR. But anyone can take the class. We've had people who are complete beginners take this, and then people who are advanced, like some of the people we had in the class today.
I'm Gavin Glassnap. I work at Delta Defense, the parent company for the USCCA, the United States Concealed Carry Association. I'm the field operations manager there. I think it's very important for folks out there to seek training, especially from certified instructors like through the United States Concealed Carry Association. A firearm, it's a tool, and if used incorrectly or used maliciously or negligently, it can hurt or kill you or others. The training is evolving. It's getting better. It's getting more practical. The context is getting more correct, so that journey should never stop. You should always be seeking out new things, new opportunities to train.
For this training, because it was such a high profile event, I mean, listen, me and Sharon reached out to Brownells. We told Roy we needed ARs. We wanted to run some high speed stuff, so guess what he got us? I got the DD M4 V7. Let me tell you, that is my new go-to AR. That thing, fire.
I got the M4A1, and that is the platform that SOCOM used, the Special Operations Group. And so for me, I was like, that's what I want.
Usually, I get an AR and I change all kind of stuff and I do stuff to it. Minimal. The trigger is nice, it's crisp, I'm fast with it. The rifle is just impeccable. By having us here, GunsOut, Colion, Noir, Brantley, GIlbert, Ken from Provectus Group, they allowed us to give input on what we thought about their training curriculum.
The main reason for us being here is to vet that curriculum, and I'm excited about what's coming to the market. It's always extremely exciting to be able to get with other professionals like this, and then we can brainstorm and talk about different teaching methodologies and techniques and things that work for me, things that I've noticed versus things that they've noticed, and it really just helps to drive the industry in the right direction. If you're a USCCA member, you got some awesome stuff coming your way, and if you're not a member, you need to become one, seriously. A lot of great things coming down the pipe. It's good. They're good, man.
To get feedback from people like Ken and Colion saying, yeah, this is awesome, this is what people need, it was very reassuring, and it was a confidence booster. It was like, yep, okay, we are moving things in the right direction.
You can't watch it and think that you know or gain the value that you think you would if you actually went. It's nowhere close to being the same. You walk away both enlightened in a way that you otherwise wouldn't have been.
I think everybody got better as a student and as a shooter, but I saw a lot of personal development, which was good, professionally and personally. I could see us putting together more events like this in the very near future because there were so many positive takeaways.
It's been a fantastic couple of days training with all of these influencers, every single one of them. It's been an honor. I'm glad I could be here. I hope they all, actually I'm confident that they all took something away from this. 48 hours ago, there's a big group of people who barely knew each other. 48 hours later, I think we've all bonded. It's been great. It's been a great experience. We just want you to leave a better protector of yourself and your family at the end of the day. And I think that goal was definitely met.
Stay tuned. It's right around the corner. We got some amazing things coming.
I've never felt such strong camaraderie. It was like we all had known each other for years. This was just an amazing event. We can't wait to do so much more with USCCA moving forward because, again, we know how important they are to our mission, and I feel like they know how important we are to theirs. So just look out for a lot more stuff from GunsOut with USCCA.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, like it, share it, comment, and also make sure you hit that notifications bell to be made aware of new and upcoming episodes.
All that stuff he just said, plus go over to GunsOutTV.com, check out the GunsOut store, and also we have a donate button. So if you want to help us out making new content all across the country, share a little love.
A little bit.
A little bit.
And make sure you follow us, guys, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay tuned to what we're doing because there's a lot of exciting things that are coming your way, and we want to keep you guys up to date.
Also, sign up for our newsletter on our website. We give away stuff sometimes.
We do?
Well, you paying for it.
That's the way it is, guys.
Let's go.
And get some.
Hey, I'm Brantley GIlbert, and I want to tell you about one of my favorite organizations for American gun owners. If you're a responsible gun owner, then you need the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. USCCA members get industry-leading self-defense education, training, and self-defense liability insurance. Trust me, hoping for the best is not a self-defense strategy. Check out why the USCCA is the fastest-growing organization for gun owners in America of its type. Click below to learn more now.